This channel started in January 2024 and has posted only 8 videos so far, and 50% of their videos already cross over 1 million views, attracting over 660,000 subscribers.
This channel about mindfulness and meditation also got a decent amount of views consistently for years.
These channels are earning thousands of dollars each month, and the best part is that you can create these videos in under an hour, even if you have no video editing experience. So, the easiest faceless niche I'm talking about is affirmation videos.
These are now popular on YouTube, and you can stay relevant for a long time because people often watch them repeatedly.
They provide some evergreen topics like how to calm your mind, or how to keep your money, or how to stay confident, etc.
There isn't a lot of competition in this area, so it's easier to grow your channel and start earning money quickly.
If you have never heard of this before, affirmation videos are short recordings that include positive statements meant to improve self-esteem, motivation, and overall happiness, regardless of the specific topic.
They usually feature calming visuals, animations, or music to create a positive vibe for viewers. If you're new to making affirmation videos, it's easy.
These videos include positive statements that focus on specific goals, like getting rich, improving relationships, boosting self-confidence, or getting fit. Each video usually has several affirmations about one goal.
You can explore different themes, and the videos can be anywhere from a few minutes to several hours long, with some lasting 8 to 12 hours for people who listen while they sleep. Let me show you how to create these videos easily using one simple AI tool. I'll share 2 simple methods and then discuss the best ways to monetize these videos at the end. First, you need to find ideas for your affirmation videos. Start by doing a quick search in incognito mode on YouTube for affirmations to see what comes up. You'll find different categories like success, wealth, and confidence, along with morning and night affirmations for those who listen at different times. Check out other channels that post affirmation videos to see which topics are popular. You'll discover that there are countless potential topics for affirmation videos. If you get confused, just remember that anything that addresses a common issue can become an affirmation video. While there are many ways to present the same idea, we'll focus on money and wealth affirmations because they have been successful on every channel we've seen. So, I'll go ahead and choose the topic of morning affirmations for wealth and success.
Now that we have our idea, let's create the affirmation video. I used a special all-in-one website where I will have all the things I need in one place. It's called invideo.io. There, I signed up for a free account, selected a text-to-video template, and provided detailed prompts for the script. InVideo's inbuilt AI itself can generate a full-fledged script. You will get it easily within the reach of your hand in InVideo. And finally, when the full video is ready with background music, voiceover, and clips, just download it in MP4 format to publish on YouTube.
Now you might wonder why this niche is so easy and evergreen. Basically, affirmation and motivational topics have maintained their relevance across generations, largely due to their ability to address fundamental human needs for inspiration, empowerment, and personal growth. This lasting appeal comes from several reasons, like the common wish to improve oneself, the mental benefits of thinking positively, and the strong impact of social media and online platforms. Together, these factors create a strong space where motivational content can flourish.
One main reason affirmation and motivational topics are so popular is their relatability. A study by the American Psychological Association found that 65% of people have taken part in some type of self-help or motivational activity at some point in their lives. This shows that many individuals recognize the need for encouragement and self-empowerment, making these topics appealing to everyone.
Content that connects with common struggles and goals tends to attract a wide audience, which helps keep these ideas in the public eye. Meanwhile, YouTube plays a crucial role in spreading motivational content because YouTube videos are quick and accessible from anywhere and anytime.
Another notable example is Jay Shetty, whose channel has nearly 5 million subscribers. His engaging storytelling, along with practical advice on mindfulness and personal growth, resonates with audiences around the globe. The rise of these channels demonstrates how the digital age amplifies motivational messages, solidifying their place in modern culture.
Social media has changed the way motivational content is shared and consumed. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok allow for the quick spread of short, impactful messages and videos that can reach millions instantly. The accessibility of motivational content on social media keeps it relevant, as users continually seek quick bursts of inspiration. The rise of the self-help industry further highlights the growing interest in motivational topics.
According to a report by IBIS World, the self-help market in the US was valued at $13.2 billion in 2022, reflecting an increasing demand for resources that promote personal development and mental well-being. Books, seminars, and online courses focusing on motivation and affirmations are key components of this industry, providing individuals with tools for their personal journeys.
A report by the Pew Research Center found that 42% of Americans turned to self-help resources during the pandemic to cope with stress and uncertainty. That was the prime time when affirmation videos got a spectacular kickstart. This trend shows how motivational content can help individuals navigate adversity, further solidifying its importance.
So, are you planning to open a new Faceless YouTube channel on this? If you already have one, how is your experience so far? And in case you are struggling in your initial days to grow or get views, don't worry about it. Just click on this video and watch till the end to know what you are lacking and what you need to improve.
We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.